I've got a Triton 2000 series workbench here, so I just wanted to show you. I've actually got a Mark III, and I just want to show you what I've done to the 2000 series. I've got these wheels on the bottom. I don't know how you go with moving them around your shed, but I always struggle. So all I've done, you can use whatever you like, but I've just used some scrap timber, and I've got some little angle brackets that I've screwed into the legs. You can see both sides here. And then all I've done, I've just got another piece that's a little bit shorter underneath with casters on and hinges. Let me see if I can show you how this works. I don't think I can do it one-handed, but I'll just flip these casters out, because you may have noticed that it's just up on a bit of a funny angle at the moment. So I've just got the casters folded out, so I'll stand back a bit so it lowers it down, puts it on the right angle for you. So not a bad little idea, and then you can just wheel it. You flip the casters back up and wheel it into your shed.